Just a little poster or two of that. At last that I did, I just started to rewind it to check it out. And the bloody old tape curled up and snapped here. So on the 4 tracks, you'll notice a burp or a blop or a bloop or something. You don't get excited about it. You hit them a long time before you hit this. And by the time you get down to this track on the reel, you know what all the noise that you heard there. I had to make a splice and cut out about a half inch of the tape or so in order to make the splice rather big splice. So when you finish off the 4th track of this thing, you can cut that right out of there and re-tape, but all the rest of the tape is good up to that. And that'll be the reason for all the noise in there down, if you notice it. And don't get excited. Well, it's no use me telling you that, because if you get it long before you hit it here, you can start this tape off, guys. So this just goes to explain a little bit what the thing happened here. So, again, we'll sign up for the 2nd time, and we'll be talking to you a little later down the line, the old timers. So take it easy.